In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from your video clips using Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're looking to edit audio separately, create podcasts, or simply repurpose your media. Let's jump right in and keep it straightforward and easy to follow. First, you'll need to import your video clip into Premiere Pro. Open the application and make sure you're in a new or existing project. To bring your video in, navigate to File in the top menu, then select Import. Choose your desired video file from its location, and it will appear in your project panel. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your video file directly into the project panel or the timeline. This will automatically import it into your project workspace, making it ready for editing. Once your clip is successfully imported, you'll see it in your project panel. This is where all your media assets are organized, kind of like a digital library. Select the clip that contains both the video and audio you want to work with. The project panel is an integral hub in Premiere Pro, as it allows you to manage your assets effectively without cluttering your timeline unnecessarily. Now that you've selected your clip in the project panel, your next step is to extract the audio. To do this, you need to go to the top menu and find Clip, followed by Audio Options, and finally, Extract Audio. By selecting this option, Premiere Pro works its magic and creates a new audio-only source clip. Don't worry, the original video clip remains exactly as it is. This extracted audio file will also appear in your project panel, clearly marked, so you'll know it's separate from the initial video. With your audio isolated, you can now drag this audio source clip into your timeline. This flexibility allows you to edit the audio independently from the video, enabling more focused sound editing or remixing. And remember, since the original clip is untouched, you retain your source intact for other purposes. In some cases, you might want to export just the audio content from your sequence, separate from any video components. To do this, navigate to File again, but this time go to Export and then Media. Here, you'll find a series of export settings. Select an audio-only format that works for your needs. Common choices include UAV, MP3, or AAC. Crucially, you'll want to deselect the video option to ensure only the audio is exported. And there you have it. Extracting audio in Premiere Pro is actually quite straightforward once you know the steps. Feel free to play around with your newly separated audio, edit as needed, or use it creatively in different projects. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.